Yay! We made it!
Stop! I'm gonna continue alone.
What? Why?
Because I love you! But you're a stacked on paper and dim when you're always be in danger of getting your head blown off every time you open your mouth.